Wait for Pedro. Wait for Pedro. This is what I'm gonna learn. Practice the word. These words cannot be sound out in this way. Read them with your child. All of the world are one. There you have, says J. Into some to Mr. Something when. You got it? Now there's another one. Madame Gazelle. These names are not as easy to sound out and blend. Read them with your kids. Read it with your child. Madame Gazelle. Pedro Pony. Susie Sheep. Let's start. Peppa Pig is doing something new today. She is going on a trip to the museum, but there is a problem. Pedro Pony is late, sighed Madame Gazelle. He is late all the time, moans Peppa. I expect he is still in bed, jokes Susie Sheep. They are all correct. Pedro is still asleep. Wake up, shrieked his mommy. It is 9 o'clock. You are going to be late. Pedro yawns and slides out of bed. They chase the bus. Wait for me, shrieked Pedro. I am going to be late. Miss Rabbit presses the brake. The bus stops and Pedro jumps inside. Mr. Rabbit takes the children around the museum. These royal gowns used to belong to kings and queens, he explained. They look like dressing up costume, joked Danny Dog. This room contained wildlife bones from a long time ago, explained Mr. Rabbit. Look at the size of that beast's jaws, exclaims Madame Gazelle. It might chew us up, Peppa gulps. Pedro stopped to gaze at some insect in the frame. Mr. Rabbit continues into the next room, but Pedro stays behind. Wait one moment. Have you seen Pedro? Says Madame Gazelle when they get outside. No one can remember when they saw him. Madame Gazelle finds Pedro beside insect, but it has taken so long to find him. The bus has left without them. Mr. Rabbit lets Madame Gazelle take Pedro back in his car. Hello, ducks, cries Pedro. Madame Gazelle and Pedro get back first. This will amaze Miss Rabbit, says Pedro. You will make a good bus driver. Wow, you are not late, Pedro, exclaims Peppa. I am going to be on time from now on, replies Pedro, so long as I can have lie-in at the weekends. Everybody's laugh. Ha 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 ha. Hoo 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 hoo. Thanks for watching, kids.